Listen and practice. Listen and practice. My dear Kalyanjeet, your letter is just to hand. You have wanted to know about the inconveniences caused by load shedding. Well, here they are. Modern city life, is solely dependent on electricity, and naturally, occasional power cuts bring us great sufferings. When the electric current goes off, water pumps do not work and taps run dry, fans cease moving, and we go on sweating dangerously. Load shedding causes great concern to the people who live in the 10th or 11th floor of a skyscraper. The lift becomes inoperative and many may be trapped in it. The plight of the students during load shedding is pathetic. The dim light of a hurricane lamp or candle does not conduce to their steady study. No more today. With love. Listen and practice. Listen and practice. My dear Bimal, I am just back from the barrack field and can hardly resist the temptation of giving you a description of the exciting cricket match I witnessed there this afternoon. This match was played between our school and Loughborough College. Our school won the toss and elected to bat. Our start was disastrous. But the complexion of the game was changed when our captain, Babla, came in to bat. He batted extremely well. Our team were all out for 112 runs. The rival team started batting after lunch. Their openers batted well. But as soon as their partnership was broken, there was a collapse. But their captain checked the collapse. The college team scored 100 runs. We won by 12 runs. With love. Listen and practice. Listen and practice. My dear Govinda, your sweet note is just to hand. You have wanted to know what profession I wish to follow in future. Well, I like to take up medical profession. Our village has many good things to boast of. But it has no qualified doctors. I have decided that after passing the higher secondary examination I shall go in for medicine. On becoming an MBBS, I shall come back to my village and open a dispensary in my house. I shall treat the poor patients gratis. The medical profession will help me to serve the poor and ailing village people to snatch them away from the jaws of death. How do you like my idea? With love. Listen and practice. Listen and practice. My dear Noor, I am glad to receive your letter. It is a news to me that you have obtained a job of a clerk in a renowned firm. I heartily congratulate you on this good fortune. This job, I hope, will suit the bent of your mind. I also hope you are likely to be satisfied with the salary and the provision of the free furnished quarters. Moreover, this job comes as a God's blessing to your family. It will help you to tide over the financial crisis that has gripped your family since your father's death. Do please let me know how you feel with your situation. Hope this will find you in the best of spirits. With love. Listen and practice. Listen and practice. My dear Sanat, your letter is just to hand. I find it really difficult to resign myself to the news of your failure in the HS examination. I cannot make out how you could fail at all. You failed, as you informed me just after the examination, to answer few short questions in physics. So I thought that you were going to miss the first division by a few marks. But that you would get plucked in the examination was beyond my imagination even. You need not, however, be cast down grief. Take heart and start afresh. And if you work hard, you are sure to pass in the first division. Bear always in mind the good old saying, failures are the pillars of success. With love. Listen and practice. Listen and practice. My dear Salini, your letter is just to hand. The news of your father's death came upon me like a bolt from the blue. He was old, no doubt. But when I saw him last month, he looked quite hale and hearty. I did not even dream that his days were numbered. His loving and kind face still floats before my mind's eyes. His death is a personal loss to me. I know all words of consolation are of no avail in this bereavement. Time alone can take the edge of this great affliction. May God give you strength enough to bear up under this great misfortune. I pray to God that your father's pious soul may enjoy eternal peace in heaven. With you. Listen and practice. Listen and practice. My dear Barun, your letter is just to hand. I am surprised to learn that you have decided to join politics. I am sure that politics will do you more harm than good. The primary duty of a student is to study and thereby to acquire knowledge. If you join politics, your study is bound to be neglected. The students of today are the citizens of tomorrow. If they waste their precious time by indulging in politics, they will fail to take their place as responsible citizens. You should remember that politics is full of passion. Once we join politics, we are likely to play into the hands of selfish politicians. The result is that we go to the devil. With love.